Anyone who listens to my teachings and follows it is like a wise builder who built a house on solid rock.
La la la. I think I'll build a new house today, but first I need to find a good spot. How about that land over there, close by the beach? It's got a great view of the ocean, and you can almost go fishing right outside the window. The ground feels kind of squishy here, like it's sand. I don't think that would be a very good idea. The first good rain will wash away the sand and my house. No, sirree, I'm not building my house on sand. That spot looks over there looks much better. It's solid rock.
The wise builder put the pieces of his house together. See how solid the solid house is? The wise builder is leaning against it, and it doesn't move at all. Jesus also talked about another builder.
Anyone who hears my teachings and ignores it is foolish, like a foolish builder who built a house on sand.
Where should I build my new house? It doesn't matter. Land is land. Over there looks like a nice spot. Nice and soft. I won't have to work so hard.
The foolish builder looked at the wise builder.
What a dummy. He built his house on solid rock. That must have taken forever to build. Good thing I found the perfect spot.
Then one day the rain fell. It rained so hard you could barely see, and the wind pushed against the houses. When that happened, which house do you think was still standing when the storm had passed?
Whoa, this is some storm. Just listen to that wind roar and so much rain. It's pounding on my roof and running all around my house.
Wow, listen to that rain. It's downpour. It's flooding all around my house. And that wind, I feel the walls shaking. Yikes, I feel the house tilting. Ah! What's happening?
The solid house didn't collapse because it was built on solid rock. The solid house stood strong, but the weak house fell to pieces and hit the ground with a mighty crash.
When the people listening to Jesus heard what he had to say, they were amazed. Jesus knew what he was talking about. He's the master builder.
Amen.